Well-Caffeinated Traveler, and we're here at Burr Oak State Park, ready to start our Saturday morning. Family time. How to make grilled cheese, camping, and a pie iron.
He's trying to make pie too.
I think the trick is opening the cheese. Mr. Awesomeness.
I'm about to change shirts. I'll get a new shirt real quick.
Put the butter side up. That's right. Close your pie iron up. Close the pie iron.
No, you don't mean that. No, you don't. How much chocolate's left?
No, I don't think.
Put it down in those hot coals. Over here on the other side. In the hot gray part. Yep. There you go. We'll let it sit about 4 minutes on one side, 4 minutes on the other, and we'll check it. Alright, we gotta flip it over one time.
That's it.
Put it back down in those coals. Take. Oh, that needs to go a little longer on that side. Close it up and flip it over. Let's look at the other side, see how it looks. Oh, it needs to go a little longer too.
Stop.
Campfire grilled cheese.
In your head.